snowing. It was just now flurrying a minute ago, or snowing a minute ago. It stopped, but there's more coming for sure. Oh man, it's so awesome. Look, it's cold out here. I got ice on my jacket from where water splashed. Look, from where the water splashed. I was getting ice out the water with some waterproof gloves. I don't think I messed with this one yet. Yeah, I haven't messed with this one yet. Look how thick it is. The pool had like ice this thick in it. Like that thick. But there goes, it's snowing. I saw, yeah, look, it's snowing now. Look, let me get some shoes on. I don't need no gloves out here. I'm not putting my hands in water like I was doing last time. Oh man, golly, y'all, that's awful.
Yeah, so we're just not going to add kale to it.
That smells bad. Was it kale bad? Makes you want to gag. Dude, it smells horrible in there. It makes you want to gag. Like when you smell it. Look, it's snowing. It's different than last time. Last time we had an ice storm. This time we have actual snow. Really cool. It'll start snowing intensely in a second. Imagine it was like a snow native. So here's the what I was doing earlier. Smashing ice. It's cold enough to where it'll just stay there. Smash it on this tiller. The old tiller, it's not been used in years. Yeah, this had I think, see this thick sheet of ice? Look, see, here goes, it's snowing. We'll keep y'all updated on it. Definitely awesome. See, it's snowing. Cool. And then, got that. Very frozen. Oh. Yeah, if you see the ice, I'm tempted to stick my hand in there. I probably could do it and I'll be okay, but I'd have waterproof gloves and not do it with the ice. Oh, that fell over. Yeah, you see it's snowing. Oh, I hear a wind roar. Now it's snowing intensely, or somewhat intensely. Heard a wind roar. Imagine a huge wind just comes with a lot of snow. Imagine this big wall of snow comes. It's not a snow squall. I do hear a big wind roar. Yeah, look, it's starting to snow. Really intensely now. I gotta get my beanie on. I don't think you can get frostbite in this weather. But I do got ice on my pants and jacket from where the water splashed. Snow just changed direction. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look, it's actual snow too. Some years it flurries, and some years it just ice weather. This year it's ice and snow. Whoa. Ooh, it's cold. It's really snowing now. Oh yeah. Oh wow, it's windy snow. It's like a thunderstorm. I love it. My ears are cold, so cold. It's like a snow. Look at that. Whoa, I fell over. It's like a thunderstorm, like a snow squall, but it's not. Look, it's getting bigger now. Wants to stop being annoying, but this is awesome. We haven't had a snowstorm like this in like 2 years, maybe. No, ever since I was in 6th grade. Look at that down there. Woo! Awesome. That's a lot of wind to it. Snowstorm with a lot of wind to it. It's a blizzard. Reminds me of that movie Krampus. Dude, it's like that movie Krampus. Y'all watch that movie, check it out. Like where that big snowstorm comes at the beginning and it gets really bad. Yeah, it's sort of like icy snow. But it's gonna get colder, so yeah. I'll shut up. I love it when it's like this. Okay, it's cold. I gotta get me a beanie because it's starting to get on my ear and it's starting to make it cold. Look. Look at me a beanie real quick. Look at this. Look, it's starting to pile up, y'all. Oh wait, don't want to blur out license plates. I hate doing that on my video. I don't know how to do it. Look at that. Look, it's sticking too, because look, it's sticking. So it's cold enough for it to stick, which is awesome. In Mobile, it's like there's a bunch of snow in Mobile. And towards the beach areas, it's weird how this is happening. There's like more snow at the beach areas than up here, which is weird. That's you normally see it coming from Tennessee. But look at this. Yeah, I smashed it. Instead of doing it under here, I did over here so we wouldn't slip on it. Cause I learned from years ago when the ice would stick to the sidewalk. Oh look, the trampoline. You know it's a ritual. I gotta do this. Jump on the trampoline during a snowstorm. Yeah. Yeah, it's sticking. Yeah. I'm glad. Alright guys, later if it gets any more piled up. You know, snow is just rain. That's freezing. But it's fun. I love it. Hear a wind roar. Oh yeah. Oh, that's really neat looking. A lot of wind to it. I gotta get my gloves. This is abysmal. The reason I'm not wearing my gloves is because look, there's ice on me. It's cold. I gotta go in for a little bit. My hands are getting red. Gotta get some gloves. I got some gloves inside. My good gloves, the waterproof gloves, are drying because I was sticking my hand in water and getting ice. It's cold. Jay, since you don't got gloves, put your hand in your pocket and wiggle it. That'll produce heat. This year hasn't felt like Christmas, but this does. Look at the snow. Look, this tennis ball was in ice. Whoa, it's full of water, looks like. This is like windy snow. Well, I guess all snow is windy if you think about it. I was dumb what I just said. Let me go get some gloves. Ugh. Like, subscribe, and peace.